In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Cname record in Cloudflare in just about 5 minutes. Cloudflare is a popular web performance and security company that helps to keep websites running smoothly while also protecting them from malicious attacks. A Cname record, or canonical name record, is a type of DNS record that maps an alias name to a true or canonical domain name. It's a way of saying, hey, this name should actually go to that name in terms of directing traffic on the internet. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to head over to the Cloudflare website. If you haven't logged in before, don't worry. Cloudflare makes it easy by allowing you to log in using your Google account. So click on the Continue with Google option on the login page. Once you're there, a list of your Google accounts will pop up. Choose the Google account that's associated with your Cloudflare details. After selecting the right account, it will take just a moment to log you in and redirect you to your Cloudflare dashboard. Now that you're successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard, which houses all your domains. From here, look for the specific domain in which you want to add the Cname record. Click on that domain to proceed further. This will bring you to your domain's main page, which includes a variety of settings and configurations. What you want to do next is click on the DNS tab. DNS settings are crucial for managing how your domain is translated to an IP address, as well as configuring different types of DNS records, which in our case is the Cname record. With the DNS page open, you will then see an Add Record button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your goldmine for adding, modifying, or removing DNS records for your domain. In the form that opens up, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Type. Click this and select Cname from the options. The Cname type is what will allow you to direct one host name to another. Moving on, it's time to fill in some essential details. In the field labeled Name, you'll need to enter the subdomain or alias you are setting for your domain. For example, if you want blog.mydomain.com to point to another domain, enter blog as the name. Next, there's a field for the target domain name or IP address you're aiming for this alias to point to. Carefully type in the correct destination address. This is crucial to ensure that the redirect works properly. Once you've got everything filled out correctly, simply hit the Save button. This will ensure your Cname record is added to the DNS settings for your domain on Cloudflare. And that's it, you've successfully set up a Cname record for your domain in Cloudflare. Remember, DNS changes might take some time to propagate, so it might not work immediately. But usually in a matter of minutes you'll be all set. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.